My name is Katerina Douka, and I'm based at the Max Planck Institute for the Science of Human History in Jena, Germany. I'm Greek. I'm an archaeological scientist. I left Greece quite early on, I guess when I was 23, 24, moved into different countries, Egypt, Spain, and then in the UK. I arrived in Oxford to study archaeological science, and I started with a project on Neanderthals, and I guess this is what hooked me up for life. So the project is called FINDER. It stands for Fossil Fingerprinting and Identification of New Denisovan Remains in Pleistocene Eurasia. The main objective of the project is to identify new human fossils from archaeological sites that we know date back to about 200,000 to 40,000 years ago. The issue with these archaeological sites is that they do not contain many human bones. We rarely find human fossils from this period of time. And the idea of the project is that by using molecular methods, we can screen and pick out human bones that otherwise we wouldn't know they were humans because they're so fragmented by being in the cave for thousands and thousands of years. This period of human evolution is exciting because it's the time period when we know different human species met each other and interbred. Until about 10 years ago, we thought that our species never interacted with any previous human species living on the planet before. But what we now know is that who we are today is made up of many interbreeding events, mixing events between Neanderthals and modern humans, Denisovans, this new human species I'm mostly investigating. It is very exciting finding a new human remain that no one else knew it existed in this bag of bones that we handle every day. It's one of these sort of eureka moments in science where also at the same time, you don't know what you have. You know you have something important, but until you analyze it even further, you don't know what it is. I often like to think that these people were died, disappeared, and no one thought that they had anything else to offer to this world, to this planet. But by analyzing their genes and their proteins and trying to understand who they were, they shine light onto who we are today. We are collaborating with 8 to 10 countries because we're trying to analyze material coming from all Eurasia. So we have built a very strong collaborative network with institutions in Siberia, China, Southeast Asia, all the way to Papua New Guinea and Australia. And by doing so, we're also committed to share our data. And we're also committed to share the knowledge that we are slowly building. And we have been successful. We have helped our Russian colleagues to establish a new research lab doing this work in Novosibirsk. We have now just finished building a new laboratory in China at Jilin University with our Chinese colleagues. We're in the process of a new laboratory in Otago University in New Zealand, in Dunedin. And I think the more we work and collaborate, the more people will see that this new molecular way of identifying species is gaining more and more attention.